Are you spending too much on paid ads to build your email list? I know what it means to not putting your time and money on that, because we might not get real email addresses. Pretty common thing to do, I know. Most of internet marketers feel like they need to create a website, paid ads, or landing page in order to get email leads. Well, that ends today. Introducing SocialJacker. This is a new tool that lets you use powerful social media sites like Facebook to build your targeted email leads on complete autopilot. Want to know more? Let's check it out. Features. Front-end features. Plus unlimited targeted real email leads via Facebook. Plus run up to 50 campaigns, unlimited leads on each. Plus fully customizable styling, choose color, position on page, width, height, font, background, border etc. Plus deploy on your own website on any number of pages you want, unlimited. Plus create cloaked campaigns, use authority sites to get your email leads. Plus jack any authority site and use that to build your list in 2 clicks. Plus make your FB posts shares look just like the original site. Plus instant copy-paste and deploy your campaign. Plus download HTML code and upload anywhere to start your campaign. Plus use our powerful WordPress plugin to integrate campaigns. Plus get name, email, age, gender, picture of the lead, amazing targeting capabilities plus personalization. Plus send leads to your Facebook Messenger at any time, convert into real chats. Plus instantly send message to any of your fan pages and grab their email plus user info when you do it. Plus include continue with Facebook button at any stage to collect real Facebook email plus other info. Plus fully automated answer bot, have the app answer visitor questions in real time for you. Plus defines syntax-enabled replies that reply to visitors intelligently based on keywords they enter. Plus define custom title, welcome message, bot name, thank you message, and default reply, syntax-enabled. Plus include any images you want anywhere in the app, in the title, welcome message, reply etc. Either upload image or enter any image URL. Plus include any link you want anywhere in the app, in the title, welcome message, reply etc. Plus no autoresponder needed, automatically stores all your leads and exports to CSV. OTO1 Pro version features. Plus unlimited campaigns for unlimited websites. Plus bot automated learning, view the most common questions asked by visitors and define auto replies. Plus request email back behavior for Facebook button. Plus allows visitors to leave a message and expect an email back. Plus include any YouTube video you want anywhere in the title, welcome message, reply etc. Plus dashboard stats, see total opt-ins, total impressions, daily opt-ins, daily impressions. Plus allow export via various filters, for example allows exports of only men in 21 plus age range. Plus campaign split testing, fully automated. Plus like and share buttons integrated, so you can ask visitors to like or share any URL at any point. Plus auto pop-up for 10x better lead capture and conversion. Plus pop-up audio notification that alerts visitors and attracts them. Plus play custom audio that directs visitors to take action or enter a contest etc. Plus autoplay intro videos and welcome videos. Plus full autoresponder integration with Weber, GetResponse, Mailit, SendLane, MailChimp. Plus full tracking stats for all campaigns, impressions, opt-ins, opt-in rate, plus graph. Download SocialJacker now. How does it work? This is super easy to use even for newbies. Features are mostly automated. Let's check some interesting articles and videos here. Good points. User-friendly. Get email leads on complete autopilot without website or landing page. Responsive technical support. Bad points. Need fast internet connection. Need to contact support if you encounter unknown issue. Conclusion. Building your email list is one click away. SocialJacker is only thing you need to pay. Earn and save more money. Get your copy of SocialJacker here.